This video teaches you how to edit slide masters in PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint. Click View. Click Slide Master. Select a slide master and click Insert Layout. This inserts a new layout slide below the slide master. Right-click a slide master or layout. Right-clicking a slide master or layout in the list on the left side displays a menu to the right of the slide master or layout. Click Delete Slide Master or Delete Layout. Click Themes. Look for a theme that has a color and look that you like, and click it. Click Colors. Click a color scheme. This applies the color scheme to the slide master and all the layouts below the slide master. Click Background Styles. This displays a list of different background colors that match your color scheme. Click a background color. Click Format Background, optional. Click a background type. Solid fill, gradient, picture or texture fill, pattern fill. Click Apply to All, optional. Click Font. This displays a list of fonts. Select a font. Click a slide master or layout you want to edit. Click Insert Placeholder. Select a placeholder type. There are 8 different placeholder types you can choose from: content, text, image, chart, table, smart art, media, online image. Click and drag within the slide. Right-click Placeholder Text. Format the placeholder text. Exit Master View Mode. Right-click a slide. Hover over Layout. Click a slide layout. This applies the layout to the slide. Click the icon inside a placeholder. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.